Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your WordPress website the right way.
Plugins for WP. WordPress premium plugins and themes for an affordable price.
Alright, so let's take this blog post for example. We have a nice blog post regarding how to train a puppy, for example of course, and we want to embed a YouTube video here between these two paragraphs. So we're gonna click on the plus icon to choose the right Gutenberg block, and we can see that we have a YouTube block that we can paste the URL of the video over here. So let's find the right video, which is this one, and all you need to do is just to copy the URL from the top of the window over there and paste it in this box and click embed. The second you're gonna do it, you will see the video right there. Don't forget of course to update the changes, and now we can take a look and see that we have the video in the right location and it looks really good. We can click on play and play the video just perfectly fine. Now that's using the Gutenberg block. However, when you're using a custom post type such as product or downloads, you may not have the option to use the Gutenberg block, as I will show you right now. So if you have a custom post type, let's say using Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce, you can see that we don't have the option to use our Gutenberg block. However, when you're just pasting the URL of the video, it's still going to display, it's still going to show the video perfectly fine, just like using the Gutenberg block. So it's all good. Don't worry about it. You can use it with or without the new editor. And as you can see, when we refresh the page, we can see the video over there. Now there is another great way to embed a YouTube video in your WordPress website, and that's using the iframe method. Okay, let me show you. When you click on the share button over here, you will have the option to embed using the iframe code, and the iframe code is extremely useful when you want to use parameters to customize the way the video look and behave. So let me show you an example. I'm going to copy the iframe code, and first I'm going to delete this video that we just pasted a second ago. I'm going to switch to the text editor, and again I'm going to paste the iframe code here between these two paragraphs, just like that. I'm going to click on update, and checking the blog post or the downloads one more time will show you that nothing actually changed. It's the same video, it looks the same, function the same, and everything is okay. As I said, the nice thing about the iframe code is the parameters. Take a look, we have a play controls over here. And when you're using the iframe method, you can uncheck this box over here, and that will hide the play controls. So I'm going to copy the new iframe code that they generated for us. I'm going to paste it instead of the old code that I had. And now when I refresh the page, I can see that the video again is the same video. However, when I play the video, I don't see the play controls anymore, which means the visitors can see the length of the video and they can't go backward or skip forward, which is nice for landing pages, for example. Now, there are many more parameters that you can use with your YouTube videos. In my blog post, you can find the link down below. You have few more parameters over here that you can use. For example, the autoplay parameter. This parameter means that the video will autoplay when you load the page. So where do you edit? As you can see, we have inside the source attribute, we have a link of our video. Okay, now after the link, you can enter the parameters, and there is a question mark separated between the video URL and the parameters. As you can see, the controls equal 0, mean no control icons. As I showed you, when you delete the control equals 0 and also delete the question mark because we have no parameters at this point, when you update the page again, you will see that the play controls came back, and now you can control the video. You can pause it and skip the video. Again, let's bring back the parameters. So I'm going to separate between the URL and the parameters with question mark, and I think it's with S in the end. Yeah, controls equals 0. So I'm going to retype it, control equal 0. And I'm going to separate between the parameters with a semicolon. And I added the autoplay parameters equal 1, which means I do want it to autoplay on page load. And you can find all the other parameters again in the blog post. Just put the parameter you want, click on update, refresh the page, and you will see that the video will autoplay immediately as I refresh the page. Beautiful. And there is no play control. So both parameters took effect and it's working perfectly. Again, you have more parameters over here that may be useful for you and for your videos. Feel free to check them out and use them.